How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing these 5x7 or 6x8 four-way speakers from Scosche. I think that's how you say it. I got these on sale at Walmart for $29.99, and I have blown speakers in my car, and I got a date tonight, and I kind of want to have music. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing these, and I'm going to be installing them on my Ford Contour. As usual, if you guys enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. Is that a white? Is that multiple white fucking hairs? Quick unboxing. This is what you get inside the box. Safety warning. And inside you have your speakers. Dang. It's a good looking speaker. So it's got tweeters and it has some kind of mid-range speaker as well as the 5x7 woofers. It comes with some generic screws and some generic like little screw holders. You will need to buy your harnesses separately. Look guys, there's a snake. You got something to say, Mr. Snake? What do you think? Can I catch him? We're gonna catch him. Oh, it's really small. I don't know if I can catch him. Nope. There he is. Oh, sorry. Okay, cut that part out. So for the one singular person that clicked on it because I said I'm installing them in a Ford Contour, I'm gonna show you guys all the screws in the door. So to start off, there's gonna be a screw right here, another screw right here. Mine's missing, but it looks like there's a screw right here as well. There's a screw right here. There might be a second screw right there, but mine's missing. There's also another screw right here. There's also a screw in your door jamb right there. There's also another screw in your door handle right there. And just like that, with a little bit of elbow grease, we got our door card off. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out real quick. All right, so once you get to this part, all you gotta do is figure out your positive and negative and cut your OEM connector off. I do this by using a multimeter actually, and then just leaving the radio on and plugging the probes and seeing which one reads a positive signal and which one reads a negative signal. Positive, negative. Okay. After testing that you cannot hear, the speaker works. And with the power invested with me and editing magic, I claim thee complete. All right, now we're gonna do the other side and we're gonna do the rear as well. There's probably some freaking mystery screws in here that I don't know about. Wow, I was right. All right, so there's two screws in here I didn't know about. I love these pliers, this exact kind of pliers. These ones are made by Carlisle. I'll always be partial to the blue and yellow. Here we go. You want to be nice and firm, like a nice pair of peaches. No, that sounds predatory. Why did we sexualize food? Now I can't say anything. Very fuck you. All right, let's move to the back. All right, so we're gonna be taking off the rear passenger side. So it looks like starting off, we got a screw in handle tray here. And we got two on the inside of the door here. Outside of the door, we got two as well. Bottom, there is two as well. One's kind of on the side right here. Okay, so there is a cap and a screw in here as well. Tell me why both times I've done speakers in a car, it was out of a breakup. Like, been a couple months, I finally really healed and I'm actually ready to talk to someone again. And it's a girl I really like, so I want to impress her by having good speakers in my car when I take her somewhere. It's weird that it happened twice. That just comes off. Also, tell me how this like Econo box from Ford has bigger, better speakers than my Lexus, and it still had 4-inch speakers front and rear. And Ford just went with these humongous 5x7. Let's put her in and do everything we just did in reverse.
Wow, there's a gun back here.
Editor, you can see this? Put the gun part in the video. That was funny. You're just reviewing my work like, what the fuck did this fucking piece of shit do? I really thought that was gonna be funny. Oh my fucking god. It's no mystery why I only have 57 subscribers. 25 of them are probably my mom. Shout out, Mom. Love you. Okay, so here I am post-date. We got the new speakers in the front right here. The rear two are just still the OEM ones, and I have whatever this stereo is. I also have this 10-inch sub in the back, and I'm not smart enough to know how to turn it off, so it is working at the moment of recording. But yeah, here's a good example of the speakers. So that was a recording at like a normal audio kind of level, like what you would normally listen to when you're driving, not trying to like blow the doors off. But if we're gonna put it up to a blow the doors off kind of thing, this is what it's like. So in my humble opinion, I think that these speakers are 110% worth the $30 that I paid for. They're a great OEM replacement. I don't think that they're, like, no offense, anything special, but at the same time, they 100% check off all the boxes. Like, they definitely produce plenty of sub, and I still have a lot of high end, so they're not lacking in any category per se, and it's an all-around good speaker. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you liked what you watched today, make sure to like down there and subscribe over there somewhere, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.